Today we are in the bathroom because I want to show you how to change the aerator on a Moen 6410 Eva faucet. So this is the faucet here, and I already changed this one, so look at the flow on this one. And this one, I did not change it yet. Oh man, barely comes out of there. And I thought that I had a problem with water pressure because the water pressure wasn't working that well on here. So what we're going to do to get it to go jet stream is you get yourself a 13741 Moen Aerator kit for the 6410 Eva faucet. And what you get in here is the aerator and a key, and the key fits in here like this, and then you can turn it while it's up in the faucet. That's all there is to it. You can get this on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description right so you can get it. Alright, so here we go. So here's the old one, here's the new one. Can't really tell the difference, but this one, only real difference is this one's kind of like orange, but it has bigger. See if we can get a shot of this next to each other. See, this one here is the new one. It has a little bit bigger holes than that one. Just like that. All done. So look in the description, and I'll have the link to the Amazon in there so you can buy it directly. And that's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.